Are you tired of trying and never seem to be able to reach the prospect? Are you terrified of cold calls? Tired of hearing no and getting hung up on? What if you could reach more prospects and turn more calls into yes? Would that be worth hearing about? I'm about to change your sales game forever. Cold calling is tough. Let's just get that out there. The endless calls trying to reach prospects, the fear, the awkward silence, and rejection. It can crush your confidence. Most salespeople give up because they don't have the right mindset and skill sets, or the right script, or the right method and strategies. But it doesn't have to be that way. Introducing the Cold Call Masterclass from the Savvy Sales Lady Coaching. With 30 in-depth sessions, you'll master. Let's look into this Cold Call Masterclass. There's irresistible call openers that hook prospects instantly. Proven cold call structures to close more deals. Scripts you can customize to sound natural. Smart follow-up sequences and email strategies to seal the deal. The perfect voicemail that gets callbacks and so much more. Imagine picking up the phone with total confidence and knowing what to say and how to say it. My Cold Call Masterclass has helped thousands of salespeople crush their goals and skyrocket their quotas. You'll walk away with my step-by-step method of how I close 26 deals in 9 days with only 52 prospects. And I've not done that once, I've done that many times. Ready to master cold calling? Why wait? Enroll in the Cold Calling Masterclass today, and you'll start closing deals tomorrow. Click the link below to join now. Let's make those calls count. I'll see you inside. Stay savvy.